So something pretty big just happened in the world of AI and robotics, something that could actually change how we interact with machines in the next few years. Baidu has just made a significant move in the competitive world of AI, introducing a strategic shift that could redefine the landscape of the Chinese market. On April 25th, Baidu unveiled two impressive new models, ERNIE 4.5 Turbo and ERNIE X1 Turbo. These models are making waves not only for their capabilities, but also for their competitive pricing. For those familiar with Baidu's AI advancements, this isn't a hasty shift. The ERNIE series has a history dating back to 2019, when the original model surpassed even Google and Microsoft on the Glue benchmark. Its innovative approach of masking strings of characters rather than individual words made it a leader in the Chinese language understanding, while still excelling in English. Fast forward to today, and Baidu's AI infrastructure is now handling over 1.5 billion API calls daily, a staggering 7.5-fold increase in usage that highlights the deep integration of these models across various sectors. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below with what content you want to see next. If you're looking to understand how this ties together, it's clear that Baidu is closely aligning with China's national strategy for AI development. Beijing has set an ambitious goal to establish China as the global leader in artificial intelligence by 2030. And Baidu is a key player in that vision. They are not just another tech firm, they have been selected to head the National Engineering Laboratory for Deep Learning, which signifies more than just financial backing. It also means access to data, top-tier research talent, and enduring policy support. The private investment in the generative AI in China has skyrocketed from around $650 million in 2023 to more than $1.3 billion in 2024, with Baidu positioned right at the heart of this landscape. With over 4,300 active AI companies and the AI market exceeding $70 billion, the momentum is undeniable. The competition is fierce, especially as tech giants like Alibaba and Tencent make strides in launching their advanced models, such as Tencent's Hunyuan T1. Baidu is strategically navigating both immediate and future economies, reducing prices to drive adoption now while investing in next-gen models to secure a dominant position later. So, what can we expect from the new ERNIE 4.5 Turbo and X1 Turbo? First and foremost, they are remarkably fast, intelligent, and very competitively priced. The ERNIE 4.5 Turbo is offered at just 1.1 cents per 1 million input tokens and 4.4 cents for outputs, about 40% of the cost of the DeepSeek V3, which had previously been seen as a strong competitor. The X1 Turbo model is slightly higher in price at 1.4 cents for inputs and 5.5 cents for outputs, yet it still undercuts DeepSeek R1 by around 25%. But the excitement doesn't stop at pricing. When it comes to performance, these new turbo models are impressively capable. The ERNIE 4.5 Turbo achieved an average score of 77.68 on benchmark tests for multimodal tasks, outperforming GPT 4.0, the much-lauded multimodal release from OpenAI, which scored 72.76. This indicates that Baidu's model stands out in its category. These models are designed for serious applications, excelling in multimodal understanding, logical reasoning, creative writing, and even image analysis. They are equipped to integrate seamlessly with tools and APIs via Baidu's Confin platform, making them ideal for developers, enterprises, and researchers alike. Notably, the X1 Turbo focuses on deep reasoning, acting as an enhanced version of the 4.5 Turbo with improved chain of thought capabilities and tool utilization. At the recent Create 2025 Developer Conference, Robin Li, Baidu's founder, emphasized the criticality of selecting the right base model and adapting it for real-world use. He sees multimodal models as the future wave. Traditional text-based models are becoming obsolete. That's why their turbo models now accommodate text, images, and logic-based inputs, finely tuned for a variety of applications ranging from education and finance to healthcare. But there's even more to it. Baidu unveiled a remarkable innovation that feels like something out of a sci-fi film. A hyper-realistic digital anchor system powered by their Wenson models, dubbed Huiboxing. This technology enables you to clone yourself or anyone else for live broadcasting. Simply record a 2-minute video, and voila! An AI version of you, with realistic facial expressions and gestures, is ready to go live. This isn't just a static presentation. It thinks, responds in real time, adapts tone, displays visuals, and can even switch roles mid-broadcast. This means that one individual can effectively run an entire marketing agency with the support of a single AI anchor. Whether you're promoting beauty products, hosting an educational series, or launching a new game, Baidu's digital anchor technology is crafted to enhance conversion rates and boost user engagement, all powered by the same deep multimodal architecture behind their core language models. By zooming out a bit, we can also see that Baidu's innovations are a strategic response to the increasing geopolitical tensions. With the US enforcing restrictions on exports to Chinese tech companies, Baidu's message at this event was unmistakable. They are not hitting the brakes. They are fostering self-reliance, focused on cost-effectiveness, and leading the charge both within China and on the global stage. While Boston University has been making waves with its rapid AI model launches and digital counterparts in Asia, NVIDIA recently took a monumental step in the entirely different realm. Rather than jumping on the general-purpose AI bandwagon, NVIDIA has tackled a long-standing challenge that has baffled researchers for years: mathematical reasoning. Sure, large language models excel at chatting, crafting narratives, and breezing through coding interviews, but when it comes to tackling complex math problems, especially ones that require multiple steps, they often struggle. NVIDIA is rising to that challenge with its innovative OpenMath-Nemotron series. They've unveiled two models: the formidable OpenMath-Nemotron 32B and the more efficient counterpart known as the 14B Kaggle model. Both are built on the advanced Qwen 2.5 architecture and honed in using a specialized dataset called OpenMath-Reasoning, which features a treasure trove of challenging problems sourced from esteemed math companies like the AMC, Harvard-MIT Mathematics Tournament, and HMMT Math Series. We're talking about intricate problems that require logical reasoning and a firm grasp of advanced concepts, typically the kind of math that trips up even the most advanced large language models. Let's dive into the heavyweight of the duo, the 32B model. With an impressive 32.8 billion parameters, it has been meticulously optimized for NVIDIA's hardware using BF16 tensor operators, striking a balance between performance and efficient memory usage. In its tool-integrated reasoning mode, where it can utilize external tools during problem solving, it achieved a remarkable 78.4% accuracy on AIME 2024. And when employing majority voting techniques, the accuracy soared to an eye-popping 93.3%. This is a remarkable feat that sets a new standard to the field. Now, not everyone can access data centers brimming with high-end GPUs, which is where the 14B Kaggle model shines. With 14.8 billion parameters, it's leaner but perfectly designed to deliver strong results. Aimed at competitive performance, this model emerged victorious in the IMO2 Kaggle competition, which emphasized solving advanced math problems using a chain-of-thought approach that illustrates each step of the reasoning process. Under Gen Select mode, it scored 73.7% on AIME 2024, and when refined further, it reached an impressive 86.7%. This is no small achievement for a model with such a compact structure. Both versions bring something exciting to the table through full transparency. NVIDIA has opened up their entire training pipeline via the NeMo skill framework, allowing you to explore everything from data generation and training processes to the benchmark testing and interference configurations. Whether you're a developer looking to create an innovative math tutor or integrating formal reasoning into scientific process, you have all the tools needed to build on NVIDIA's impressive groundwork. Plus, it's all been optimized for running seamlessly across NVIDIA's hardware ecosystem, including both the Ampere and cutting-edge Hopper GPUs. Now, while NVIDIA is tackling math challenges with expertise, Baidu is making headlines for creating digital copies of humans for live streams. If you discovered your favorite streamer was actually a digital clone, would you keep tuning in? Should we be intrigued or a bit worried? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.